cases. So you know that any and when the object is at infinity, remember, okay, object is at infinity, either this is concave mirror, sorry, convex mirror, and it is my uh, concave mirror. Okay, it is my concave mirror. Object is at infinity, so it is possessing lines. Okay, so many light rays, but we are just considering about two, because we cannot draw these lines, and it is very difficult for us to understand so many lines. We are just taking two, okay, two lines. So when the mirror was concave and object was at infinity, okay, the light rays was parallel to PC. Same thing occurs at this time. Okay, object is at infinity, so light rays which are emerging from object, or generally we are studying about two lines, they are parallel to PC. Okay, there is no change. Now what was our rule? Just come back to our rule. We are back to our rule. Our rule is telling us that for this anything which is parallel to PC, okay, anything which is parallel to PC should have passed from F point. Anything which is parallel to coming from parallel to PC should have passed this F point. So this is also applicable for this. Okay, yeah, so it is parallel to PC, you know, so it have to pass from F. Okay, most of the light part will get returned. Okay, beta, most of the light part will get returned. 90% part of the light will get returned because of this mirror, but only 10% of light will go back, and this is the remaining 10% of light which will go back. But it should have to pass from F according to the rule, because we studied that when anything is parallel to PC, it has to be past the F point, so it will pass the F point. Okay, now the two lines are meeting. Definitely very weak lines, definitely very weak lines. Only 10% light is passing behind from this mirror. Okay, and 90% is getting back. Okay, but this is the meet point, and this is the meet point where my image is formed. So this is a meet point, my image is forming. Okay, so this is my object was at infinity. Okay, and the position of image, where is image is forming? Image is forming perfectly at F. Okay, but it is forming behind the mirror. Definitely this side is behind. Okay, and behind the mirror, that's why it is virtual. Okay, it is virtual. Okay, and remember one thing, that anything which is forming behind the mirror, it is, or it should be erect. Okay, that means it is like this. Remember, this is a rule. Okay, anything which is forming behind the mirror, it is behind the mirror, it is virtual and it is erect. Okay, this is a rule, don't forget this. It is applicable for each and every type of thing, even for concave mirror. Even for concave mirror, which is anything which is forming behind the mirror, it is erect. Okay, and it is virtual, that means a blurred image. So it is a blurred image, it is not very clear. Because it is forming behind the mirror, it should be with two characteristics, virtual and erect. Okay, it is diminished. Okay, this is the rule. Three things will be same together, you cannot replace anything. Okay, it is diminished and point size very small. Okay, next thing, same, I'm taking this. Okay, and everything of this resides here. So this is my F. Okay, and this is my C. Okay, I just want to finish this diagram. Now where is my object? My object is placed between infinity and P. Okay, this is infinity point. Okay, so it is between infinity and P. Okay, so object is between infinity and P. Okay, something between. Okay, it can be, you can move it closer. Okay, this is infinity point. Infinity means so far, so far, so far. Okay, so you can move this. Okay, you can move this here, you can move this here. Okay, everything will be known as between infinity and P. So the two light rays will emerge. First light ray will emerge in such a way that it is parallel to PC, so it will get back, and only few part will come here. So anything which is parallel to PC should have to pass from F. Definitely it will pass from F. Okay, and the another line which is originating, it is the line which is in the direction of C. Okay, so anything which is in direction of C should get back into in the same line direction, but anything which is in direction of C will it will pass on. Okay, and it will pass through the C. Definitely it will pass to the 3 point. Okay, so this is the point where both of these lines are meeting. Okay, and if these two lines are meeting here, it will be my image. Okay, so these two lines are meeting here, these two lines are meeting here. Okay, so this is my image. Okay, so my image, definitely one thing, right behind without thinking, behind forming, it is forming behind, then it should be virtual. Okay, and it should be erect. Okay, these things are clear. And where my image is forming, my image is forming between P and F somewhere. Okay, it is forming between P and F. Okay, virtual and erect and behind. Okay, these three things are together, always together. Okay, and it is diminished, it is diminished. Okay, so this is the thing about this mirror. Okay, rules are same for concave and convex, and you just need a practice. After that you will be able to draw it on your own without help of your book. Okay, it is very simple thing. Just don't forget to use your ruler, scale, whatever you use. Okay, so right now I'm finishing my class, and we will study about this thing on not tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday, and remember one thing, that Friday is not for your enjoyment, and Friday